The cutter comes with 2 strips showing some traditional Halloween shapes. We have the witch's hat, the pumpkin, the witch's silhouette on her broomstick. We have a tombstone or headstone. We have the lucky cat and the ghost. So I'm going to show to you today 2 of the items from the strips, and I'm going to be showing the pumpkin and the tombstone. As you can see, I'm going to use the centre motif from this strip to make the pumpkin. I'm going to take my modelling paste that I've rolled out to about 2 millimetres. I'm going to take my strip, I'm going to lay it over the top of my modelling paste and press down. Although you want to cut the outside shape, you also want to ensure that the shapes on the inside of the face are embossed onto your paste. Then you just move it across your board. And then to remove the shape from the strip, you just give it a gentle tap and it will fall onto your board. On my pumpkin here, I've picked out the details in black. So what I've done with that one, I've taken some black modelling paste, I've cut out the black pumpkin, again ensuring that the embossed parts, because they're the parts I'm going to cut out, are fully formed. And I'm going to remove that also from the strip. Then with my FMM knife and scribe tool, I'm going to cut around the eyes, the nose and the mouth in order to lay them on top of the orange pumpkin. As you can see, I'm doing this on freshly rolled, freshly cut modelling paste, and the cutting tool is going through it quite well. If you find that it's not cutting out exactly as you want it, you can just leave your modelling paste for a short while to dry. Quite fiddly. Then just using a small amount of water, put some water across where you want to attach your highlight, and lay that on. I've done the same with the eyes and the nose, ready to place on top of my pumpkin. And that produces the final product. So I've shown you how to make the pumpkin. But this is just to show you how versatile the range is, to show different ways in which you can use them. So as you can see, the witch's hat here is made in the same way or similar way to the pumpkin, and the ghost here. And then I've put the witch and also the cat on top of a disc. And then the tombstone, I've been a little creative here with an edible pen. To show you the versatility of the product, I'm going to show you how to make a different variation of the tombstone. So I'm going to take my tombstone tappet and I'm going to hold it onto my modelling paste, push firmly down, rub it across my board, remove the excess paste and then tap on the board to release the tombstone. Then I'm going to take some white modelling paste and again cut out the tombstone motif, pushing down, making sure that the embossed parts are pushed into the paste, remove. Then what I'm going to do this time, as I've decided to make a black tombstone, is cut around the edge of the embossed shape, which forms the plaque on the front. Again, this is freshly cut modelling paste, which, as you can see, the FMM knife and scribe tool is going through very well. But if need be, it can be left just for a couple of minutes to dry. So once I've cut around the front piece of the tombstone, I can just apply a small amount of water and lift that on top. And then to make extra special, I can just personalise with an edible pen. Ooh. With your own creative twist, you can use the cutters to produce many different items for your cakes. That's up to you. Here's just two variations on using the same shape from the cutter. I really hope you've enjoyed looking at the new FMM Spooky Halloween set. Obviously I've shown you a few different ways to use that, but I really would look forward to seeing your creations. Feel free to share those with us on Facebook page, FMM. Happy Halloween, everybody!